Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve keyboard problem on Samsung phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you can see the setting option, so here just click on setting. Okay, when you move on the setting from here, suppose you have the keyboard problem, if there is not showing the mic or the problem, the hanging problem, or the keyboard is not working, you have any problem on the keyboard, okay, there is many problems, okay, but you can solve by just following these steps, okay. And you have to scroll on the down, you just keep scrolling and click on the apps. Okay, when you move on the apps, you can see on the upside the search bar, just click on the search option, and here you have to search for the keyboard. Okay, so here the keyboard content center has came, just click on the keyboard. When you click on the keyboard, here you have to scroll on the down and click on storage. Okay, when you move on the storage, here is the clear data option, so click on clear data, click on delete. After that you just click on back button, again click on back button, and again you have to type for the gboard. If you have gboard, you can search for the gboard. Okay, if you don't have, you want to install gboard, then you have to install gboard from Play Store. Okay, if you want to install, here's the gboard option, just click on gboard. When you click on the gboard, here again you have to scroll on the down and click on the storage. When you click on the storage, here click on clear data and click on ok or delete. Here it will delete successfully, it means clear all the data. Okay, after that only your keyboard problem will be solved successfully on your Samsung phone. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.